And welcome back. Clarendon College are the 2017 Ben Francis Cup champions. Lamar Walker scored a double as Clarendon College rallied from a goal down to beat Dintil Technical 4-1 in extra time to secure their fourth hold on the Premier Rural Area Schoolboy Knockout title. Dintil Technical, who were seeking their first schoolboy football title since winning the DaCosta Cup in 1981, got off to a perfect start in the Ben Francis Cup final against the three-time winners at Clarendon College at the St. Elizabeth Technical High School ground. This as Shamari Davis pounced on a parried shot by Clarendon College custodian Benjamin Williams, who could not hold on from a shot from young reggae boy Kahim Paris. That goal woke up the hard-running Lenworth Teacher Hyde coach Clarendon team, who got the equalizer in the 55th minute through Nikhil Daly, who netted his 17th goal of the season.
Now Clarendon College, Shandy James, Walker and company are there as well. That's 1-1. Clarendon College.
With neither team being able to score the decider inside 90 minutes, an additional 20 minutes of extra time would be played, and it was there that the fitness of the Chapelton-based Clarendon College boys would be proven. Demario Phillips sent them ahead in the 95th minute after working from a short corner.
Corner kick to Clarendon College. And the team from Chapelton has gone loose. They have found the go-ahead goal.
With Dintil chasing to get back into the contest, Clarendon College exploited the spaces created with two more goals. Lamar Walker, who entered the day with 17 goals, netted both. First in the 101st minute from a long-range kick.
Constructed by Dintil. Walker all along the ground. 3-4 Clarendon College.
He then latched on to a squared ball from Daly, who beat a cluster of defenders as well as goalkeeper Williams on the goal line.
Daly now on the move once again, played through into the path of Nikhil Daly. That is game, set and match for Clarendon College.
In the end, Clarendon College marched away with the Ben Francis Cup title for the fourth time in their history after previously winning it in 1989, 1990 and 1998. They remain on course for 3 more titles this season.
The Primetime Sports is